So how do you fit a picture into iMovie on an iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so the whole point of iMovie is that it has the fixed aspect ratio, which means that only horizontal videos can be produced, right? But you can still import your photos and videos into the iMovie application, but you have the ability to adjust the size of the individual clips, right? So you should be able to locate it, make sure it is selected like that. And once the photo or video is selected, in the top right corner, we have the like plus and magnifying glass icon, which lets you basically just select it like that, and you have the ability to pinch to zoom, right? So you can stretch out the image to fit it entirely into the iMovie project. As I said, the aspect ratio is fixed within iMovie, so you cannot like turn it into a vertical video, but you can at least fit the picture like that, right? And you can make sure it kind of looks nicely in that sense at least, right? But as I say, iMovie is not ideal if you need more than these built-in features. For some more precise video editing, I recommend you to get the CapCut video editor, where as well you can import your videos, but you can make the video vertical, horizontal, right? You can stretch it the same way as in iMovie, right? And you can do it for free for the most part. So I guess at least it would make sense to try it out in the CapCut as well. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.